Hey guys, it's Candace from Candace's Sensational Crew. I'm going to make a quick video on how I make wax samples for everybody to smell and enjoy. So pardon me for the crappy video, but I'm all by myself, so this is the best I can do. Okay? So, alright, so we're going to start with a Scentsy bar right here. And what I do is I dump it out onto the cutting board. I've got a crinkle cutter, which is perfect because it cuts up the wax perfectly, like so. I try and cut it in as small of cubes as possible. This video might be a little boring in parts, but it's the best I can do to give you guys an idea of how simple it is to make samples. I love the smell of this wax. This one's Clean Breeze. It smells just like dryer sheets. And it's nice and fresh. You don't need a lot of cubes in your warmer if you were to use this scent because it's fairly strong. 1 cube will do, but by all means, if you like it strong, you can do up to 4, but I find that's just a waste of a scent. So I cut them down in as small as possible because what I'm going to do next is I'm going to put it in a measuring cup, and then I'm going to put it in the microwave. Now there's many other ways to do this, but this is the way I found was the quickest for me. Alright, so with that, I'm going to grab my measuring cup. Try and get it all. Now sometimes if the cubes aren't small enough, it'll take them longer to melt in the microwave, which is okay. An extra minute never hurt anybody. Alright, so here is all the wax in the measuring cup. Go to my microwave. I'll start out by putting it in for 2 minutes. And let it spin around there. So this is the Scentsy mold that I'm going to be using. It's very detailed when it comes out. It shows all the little details on the inside. I try and fill them up as full as possible just so that you can get a big sample. Once that's done, I have the Scentsy bags. There's all different sizes. These I find work because I like to use these cards that go inside. So it's just, and that's on one side, and on the other side it's got my contact information, and then I can write the name of the scent that is going to be in that blank spot. I've got all kinds of different ones. Like this one. Whoops. Zoom in. With over 80 Scentsy fragrances, you're sure to find one you love. And then you just write the scent on the back. I also brought up black raspberry vanilla because I wasn't sure which scents I wanted to use at this time. So as that's going, I'm going to get oven mitt because it gets fairly hot. And then what I do is I put it in the freezer for a good 5 to 10 minutes so that it hardens it. Just make sure I've got the room. So basically, now we wait. It's not quite ready yet, but you can see it starting to melt on the bottom. So it depending on how much you put in here, it can make quite a few samples. It normally makes at least this half for me. You can get a crinkle cutter. This one I got from Pampered Chef, but sometimes you can get them at the dollar store. It's very easy to cut stuff. It's better than using a knife. They're quite handy actually. So while we wait, I might as well let you guys know that samples are perfect for if you're doing a vendor show. So people who have never tried Scentsy before might be curious, so they can take that home and smell it. Or if you just want to have somebody get a catalog, you can give them a sample to go with it. So that's what I normally do. I send out a catalog and a sample at the same time, so people get like the full effect of what Scentsy is. Alright, so we look fairly melted, so I'm going to set this up. Get ready to pour. Just give me 1 second. Alright, so now I'm going to pour it as steadily as possible. Now keep in mind there was 1 cube missing, so this is just what I have left over because I'm obviously not going to sell it with a missing cube. I'm going to go with the bar mold, and almost done. See, I'm able to go and I'll be able to do 1 more. There we go. So now I'm just going to carefully move this into the freezer. And that's it for now. While I let those harden, I will make video number 2 when it's done and show you the second part. Thanks, guys.